इस डिक्टेशन की स्पीड होगी 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। इसके अलावा ये आपको 100 और 110 की स्पीड में भी मिल जाएगी। PDF में भी आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तमाम लिंक्स वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल हैं, वहाँ से जाकर इसको चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। Learned counsel for the appellants contends that initially the FIR was lodged by the complainant as a blind murder. However, he had expressed a suspicion against two groups, one comprising of Rab Nawaz, Muzaffar, and Bashir Ahmed, and another comprising of Shahid and Fakir Muhammad. But after thorough investigation, when both the groups were declared innocent by the police, the complainant made a supplementary statement with a delay of about 1 month on 25/11/2009 on the basis of some information provided to him by Nawaz and Riaz that all the three appellants have falsely been implicated in this case, and there is no explanation on the record that why Nawaz and Riaz had not informed complainant regarding the involvement of the appellant for the murder of his brother for a long time, that even in the supplementary statement the evidence shown against the appellant is that they were seen unspecified by Nawaz and Riaz at about 9 p.m. between the night of 25 and 26/10/2009 present near the pulley armed with unspecified firearms. Therefore, this is a case against the appellants without any legal evidence and is based upon circumstantial evidence. The alleged extrajudicial confession before complainant Nawaz and Riaz is a fabrication on the part of the prosecution. Except extrajudicial confession, there is no other evidence against the appellants in this case, and evidence of recovery, that is only a corroborative piece of evidence, is also a fabrication on the part of the police, and even otherwise is unconsequential to the prosecution, as the empties recovered from the place of occurrence were sent to the forensic science laboratory on 11/12/2009 after the arrest of the appellants on 13/12/2009. Evidence of extrajudicial confession is a weak type of evidence, especially in the absence of any other corroborative piece of evidence, is of least importance, and trial court has wrongly convicted and sentenced the appellants only on the basis of extrajudicial confession. Both the witness complainant PW6 and Riaz PW7 are real brothers of the deceased, and they, being interested witnesses, have falsely deposed against the appellants. Nothing was recovered from the appellant Umar Hayat, and finally prayed for acquittal of appellants. Full stop.